Good morning, all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Friday, the 27th of November, the day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday, if you will, and this is for 2020 at 9:30 a.m. So now we get what we call the Black Friday. We're going to get the Small Business Saturday and the Cyber Monday. So you're going to hear about that all day on financial TV if you tune into that, because these are very big events typically for the market. Do I think Black Friday is? Nope. Cyber Monday probably takes that over, so be careful about that. The malls, they're not going to be as packed as they normally are. You can see that this morning. You can see the hours the malls are even doing. The stock market, though, up as we came back, a wipeout in the silver. This is a bounce. The market has been down $1 an ounce. Gold market has been down $35. If you look at the copper market, it's up 8 cents. So there's a big divergence here. Why the silver market, which I think is an industrial metal, is down that much, I couldn't begin to answer for you. Not going to try. I was surprised it fell that much. That I'll go on record as saying. As for the dollar index, it is down, and you can see the currency gaining against it. That I am not surprised in, as my subscribers know. And in fact, I think the dollar's in big trouble here. When you look at the grain markets, a bit of a bounce today in them, and you're getting a nice bounce in the bonds and the note market, and the energies under a little bit of pressure today. Why are the energies under pressure? We have the OPEC meeting coming up. That'll start, as I understand, on Saturday. They leak everything rather than give you a formal announcement, so always be aware of that and read your headlines, because before the formal announcement, all the news is out anyways. Today's data, there's just not a lot of economic data out. I think the Baker Hughes will come out around noon today, and that's the RIG report. The economic information out of the Eurozone. November consumer confidence down, and that's a negative 17.6 versus a negative 17.6, and October's 15.5. The industrial confidence, a negative 10.1 versus a consensus that was a bit lower than that, but still worse than October's. The services confidence collapsed, down 17.3 versus October's, and the overall sentiment index is 87.6, which is what? Well, that's a negative. Well, these are all just numbers, but it's versus the 86.5 and the 91.1, and those are not negative numbers. They're positive numbers. So where are we? Well, the problem there that we're fighting in Europe is the rapid spread of the COVID-19. I heard today that Poland, for example, only has 258 doctors for 100,000 people. Now, obviously, that is countrywide, and it's not a small country, but that gives you how they're going to be tasked. And from all I'm reading, if you go to countries like Slovenia, you go to Hungary and other countries, big problems. Their medical systems are just not, from what I'm reading at least, up to the snuff. And doctors have been leaving because of pay in higher paying countries, and that hurts as well. In the U.S., you can see we're going to burst at the seams. All that travel I saw over the weekend, if science is correct, and I believe in science, within anywhere from 10 days to 3 weeks, we see the spread of all these people that traveled, and the numbers are probably going to go up again. I have no idea what it means for the Christmas season. What I do know is that on our morning video, it dawned on me, I could have done an ad. This is a great gift for you to give to somebody. You might know a trader, a friend, you don't know what to give them, buy it for yourself. But the idea here is for $7.95, they get to see if they want to continue or not, and they can take it from there. They can come in then on their own and become a subscriber. Just let us know. All you got to do is write me at iEpstein at LINNLLC.com. That's iEpstein at LLC.com, and we will take care of it on our side. We'll call you, obviously, to confirm everything with you. But what a cool gift to give. You're using it, a lot of you. The rest of you that aren't, buy yourself this Christmas gift for the price of a coffee, obviously a better coffee at $7.95, 26 videos a month. You get access to our free special reports and to our webinar. The webinars alone run $7.95 if you're not a paid subscriber. All you need to do is go to our website under research, read about it, sign up for it, write me a letter. I'll take care of it for you. I'm Ira. You have a great weekend. I'll see everybody come this afternoon when we put out our end of the day market wrap-ups, and then I'll see the subscribers tomorrow when I put out the weekend edition of this, which are only the weekend charts on all the futures markets. You have a great weekend.